In this video, I want to share the best side hustle for lazy people to make more money. If you're a little lazy, or maybe if you're like me and just stingy with your free time, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way yet to make more money. It truly is the easy money path. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer. I think online marketing is the ultimate side hustle. I haven't worked a real full-time job in years thanks to it. I only work a few hours per week and have both the free time and the means to do the things I really want to do when I want to do them. I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are spending their days at their traditional job dreaming of something better. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing I do. It's easier than you think. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So more and more people are looking for a side hustle, some just for some extra spending money, others need the side hustle literally to survive. It seems everything costs more these days. The challenge with side hustles in general is that almost all of them are a lot of work or they take too much time to make significant money. They're definitely not for lazy people. Face it, you only have so many hours to put into something, and I don't know anyone who has the spare time for a second full-time job. Well, I found something different from the other side hustles. What makes this side hustle so appealing is you can make big money on a really lazy schedule. It's something almost anyone can do. You do not need any previous experience. No special skills are required. Get this, it only takes a few hours per week whenever it's convenient for you. And you can put those hours in from wherever you want to be. You can do this side hustle while you're at the beach, playing golf, watching a movie, or even while you're sleeping on the couch. You know, the things lazy people love to do. Here's how it works. When we work together, our team will give you your very own sales funnel. And I'm talking a complete high converting sales funnel, one with landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails to send out on autopilot with an autoresponder. And we give it to you 100% free. You can have it set up and ready to start making money within the hour. Then all you have to do is send people to your sales funnel, and we show you how to send tons of traffic to it every day in just minutes per day for free. No more bugging friends to show them what you're doing. No buying leads, no buying traffic. Just simple minutes per day traffic strategies that you can do 100% free. Then you let the sales funnel do the work. It automatically tells people all they need to know about our unique business and signs them up when they're ready, all on autopilot. It's that simple. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And you can earn recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in months from now for what you do today. I love getting paid every week by direct deposit. This is super affordable to get started, and this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products every month. Trust me, you can do this business. Excellent training and support is provided. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. Take a close look at what we do. It's far easier than you think. You will see how easy it is to create a full-time income in just minutes per day. Again, even if you are a little lazy. So take a couple minutes right now and go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.